Most people want great credit, but they don't want the discomfort that comes with fixing it. The truth is, success in life and in credit starts where comfort ends. If you're ready to step out of your comfort zone, this is how you turn your credit story around. Today, I'm going to break down this into 4 powerful themes to apply directly to your credit repair journey. Theme number 1, discomfort as a sign of growth. Theme number 2, the contrast between comfort and greatness. Theme number 3, commitment as freedom. And theme number 4, service and persistence. Let's get into it. When it comes to credit repair, the discomfort is real. It's pulling your credit report and seeing negative marks. It's facing collections. It's realizing you've got work to do. And yeah, it doesn't feel good. But here's the secret. The discomfort is proof you're moving in the right direction. Every dispute letter you send, every payment you make on time, every step you take to monitor your credit, that's the struggle. That leads to growth. Just like lifting weights tears muscle fibers before they grow stronger. Challenging your credit report feels uncomfortable, but builds financial strength. Theme number 2. Now let's talk about the difference between comfort and greatness. The comfortable path is ignoring your credit, using cash only, or hoping things fix themselves. That path is crowded and it keeps people stuck. The uncomfortable path is pulling your credit report, monitoring your score, and taking consistent action. It's harder, but it leads to financial freedom. Comfort is like making minimum payments. It feels easy today, but it costs you more tomorrow. Greatness is like paying down debt aggressively. It hurts now, but it builds your future. Theme number 3, commitment as freedom. Some people think fixing their credit is restrictive, like they can't spend the way they want anymore. But commitment to the process actually creates freedom. With good credit, you get lower interest rates, better approvals, and more opportunities. I want you to think of it like planting seeds. You don't see results overnight, but eventually you harvest financial freedom. And the last theme, number 4, service and persistence. And here's the bigger picture. Fixing your credit isn't just about you. It impacts your family, your kids, and your community. When you repair your credit, you become an example for others, showing them it's possible. Your persistence can be the light that inspires someone else to start their own journey. Credit repair is not instant. It takes consistent disputes, monitoring, and very good habits. But if you stay on the course, the results can feel miraculously. Every deleted collections, every point your score goes up, that's the small miracle that adds up to completely new financial life. Now let me give you a recap, right? So here's what you need to remember. Discomfort means progress. Comfort keeps you stuck. Commitment leads to freedom. And service plus persistence creates results. Now, here's the truth. Fixing your credit isn't easy, but neither is staying stuck. The difference is that one path leads to freedom. That's why I'm inviting you to take the first step today. Join my free private community. There are over 2,000 people repairing their credit. Second, sign up for credit monitoring using my partnership link. It costs $29.99 a month. Yes, I do make a $10 commission, but I give you access to 3 things, so I want you to listen up. I give you Credit Complete Pro, which is my step-by-step program teaching you how to clean your credit from start to finish, get rid of collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, and much, much more. In my private community, there's been 15 people who've started their own credit repair company. That's how good the service is. And Credit Complete Pro. The second thing I give you access to is Debt Negotiator Pro. Now, I've been in the debt collection industry for over 15 years. I've owned 2 debt collection companies. I used to sue people, place accounts on people's credit report, and yes, I used to buy debt pennies on the dollar. I say that to say I understand the other side. Another thing you guys need to understand is sometimes you're gonna have to pay your debt. There's no way around it. And if you have to pay your debt, Debt Negotiator Pro is the program you're gonna need. And guess what? In my private community, there's been 5 people who started debt settlement companies from that program, and that's how good that program is. The third and final thing you get access to is you can schedule a free Zoom call with me. It's a one-on-one call, so now I'm no longer speculating. I'm looking at your actual credit report because you signed up using my Smart Credit partnership link. Secondly, I'm identifying the errors for you in real time. I'm giving you the letter templates to actually mail out the letter. I'm telling you exactly how to mail out the letters. And then on round 2 and 3 within the community, all you got to do is tell me what the result was, and I'm telling you exactly what to do next. You get all of that just for paying for credit monitoring, which is $29.99 a month. Click the link below to sign up today, and let's start turning your discomfort into your breakthrough. Remember, success starts where comfort ends, and so does financial freedom. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take action now, and let's build your credit scoring together. Now, if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And like I always state, you be great.